Filters are very important when you create a dashboard or a report. They are used to filter the data on the visual. That's very simple, but let us see practically what I'm trying to convey. There are different types of filters available in Power BI. We have filters on visual. You can see I have created a sheet over here, and I'll keep on showing you topics on this. So we have filters on visuals, filter on page, filter on all pages, drill through, and many more filters are there. Right now, we'll be focusing on how to work on filter on visual. If you're using an older version of Power BI, you might not get this filter speed. Okay, so you have to upgrade the version or you have to update the features in that. How to update? I've given the link in the description somewhere you can find out. Or if not, you can see the initial few videos on how to update the Power BI software here. So, this filters pane is very important. Right now, in this filters pane, we have only two types of filters. One is filters on page, second is filter on all pages. In this pane, actually, you should get three filters here. Filter on visual also should be there, but it is not there. So first of all, I'll create some visual. Only then the option will be there. So let me create some charts. Let's say a pie chart for region and sales. Okay, so when I click on region sales, carefully observe, I'm getting filter on visual. Now, I'm getting that the other options also filter on all pages. So, three filters are there in this filter screen. If you click outside, see what happens. If I click outside the chart, filter on visual is missing. Okay, only two options are there. Filter on visual is missing because you have to select the visual. Only then can you apply filter on that visual. Now I'll create two charts. One is this pie chart, and one I'll create a funnel chart here, okay? And the funnel chart will have subcategory and sales. Right, so the question is, suppose if I only want to apply a filter only on that pie chart, okay? So I have to apply the option as filter on visual. So if I want to see only this data for some specific category, let's say the technology, I can just drag this technology and drop it into this box, okay? Into this box. Why not into this box and the other box? Because currently I'm interested only in this visual. So I can just drag and drop into this box. So here I can select the option as technology and minimize this filter. So carefully observe, I've applied a filter only in this visual, not on the other visuals. So when I do that, this particular chart or pie chart is changing. How do you find out? You have to just check the values. If they're changing, that means the chart is affected. So if I minimize that, and if I select something else, office supplies, you can see only one chart is changing the values. Okay? Only one chart, not the other one. So if you want, you can specifically filter any one visual. Okay, so I repeat the topic again. I deleted that. So I've created two separate charts. This time, I only want this funnel chart to be modified. So I can pick up segment into this box. Okay? Some other example, segment into this box. And if I select consumer segment only, this funnel chart will be changing. You see, funnel chart would be changing. If I click on home office, funnel chart is changing, not the pie chart. So this is very simple. That is known as filter on visual.